For system configuration, please see the V16 mains booster pump controller video. To set up and operate the controller, continue watching this video. The unit is powered on as soon as the mains supply is connected. All BPC controllers have two filling modes. The first is one-time fill. The fill will stop when the level switch activates. The second is fill on demand. The tank will be refilled every time the water and level switch drops. To select the required filling mode, press and hold both the down and enter buttons. The fill on demand menu will be displayed. Press the up or down button to change between on and off. Off will set the controller to one-time fill. On will set the controller to fill on demand. Press the enter button to set. If fill on demand is selected, the controller will display the fill delay setting. Fill delay is the time in minutes from the tank reaching full and filling restarting should the water level drop. This delay can be set from 0 to 10 minutes using the up or down buttons. Setting to 0 turns this delay off. Press enter to set. When filling, the controller will display fill. The V16M BPC FL and DIS controllers have three auto flush modes. The auto flush mode can be changed within the menu after the fill settings. Press enter until AFL is displayed. The first setting is off. This disables the auto flush. Next is 1. This will repeat the auto flush every hour. The first flush has a default of 300 seconds, or the time set by the distributor. Subsequent flushes are 40 seconds. The final setting is 2. The auto flush will be performed once at the start of every fill for 300 seconds, or the time set by the distributor. Use the up or down button to scroll between the options and press enter to set. When flushing, the display will flash FLU. The V16M BPC DIS controller will perform a DI bypass during and after every flush excluding manual flushes. The auto flush settings determine the DI saver settings. Setting the auto flush to off will disable the DI bypass. If the auto flush is set to 1 or 2, the DI bypass will last 120 seconds after each flush. When performing a DI bypass, the display will flash DIB. To start a fill when FOD is off, press either the F button or the up and down buttons together. To stop the fill, press either the F button or the up and down buttons together. The fill will automatically stop when the level switch is activated. To start a manual flush, press and hold the F button. The controller will display FLH for flush by hand. FLH will stop after 30 minutes, or the time set by the distributor. To stop the manual flush, press the F button again. For the full V16 range and more information, visit www.springltd.co.